Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription in Dynatrace. So let's get straight into it. Now, what you are going to do is basically head over here to the bottom left corner where you see your profile icon and then click on it. And after that, it will open up this small window here. Now, what you need to do is head over here to the account management and click on it. It will open up totally new window. Alright, and right here, as you can see, I have a free trial right now for 14 days. But if you have a subscription here, you will have option here to cancel it. And yeah, you just cancel, press the button for cancellation. You will probably need to go through some why you are leaving this Dynatrace. And yeah, this is pretty much just basically information for them, and then you will successfully cancel your subscription. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next